Welcome to Navangu Digi Lessons. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 Teach Me to Listen Lord. पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको चैप्टर 1 पूरा पॉइंट डिस्क्राइब किया था, समझाया था। आज मैं उसके कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स बतलाता हूँ। द पोएम A prayer to God asks Him to make us good listeners. कविता एक प्रार्थना के रूप में है जो हमें एक अच्छा श्रोता बनाती है। ए गुड पर्सन इज़ ए गुड लिसनर। एक अच्छा व्यक्ति एक अच्छा श्रोता होता है। The persons closely related to us want our attention and recognition. We should listen to them. जो हमारे करीब होते हैं वो ध्यानपूर्वक सुनते हैं और उन्हें भी हमें ध्यानपूर्वक सुनना चाहिए। We should listen to the voices of the oppressed, the sufferers and the downtrodden. हमें सताए हुए लोग, व्यथित लोग और पीड़ा भोगते हुए लोग, कष्ट भोगते हुए लोगों को सुनना चाहिए। वी शुड रीच देम टू हेल्प। और हमें उन तक पहुंचकर उनकी मदद करना चाहिए। देन वी शुड लिसन टू एंड ट्रस्ट आवर इनर वॉइस, आवर कॉन्साइंस. It distinguishes between what is right and what is wrong. Finally, the poet asks us to listen to God's voice, which guides us everywhere and at all time. Next, we will see difficult words and its meaning. Whisper. Whisper means a low quiet voice. मंद आवाज़ जिसको हम कह सकते हैं, या फुसफुसाहट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है प्ली. प्ली का मतलब होता है एन अर्जेंट इमोशनल रिक्वेस्ट. एक भावुक याचना, एक अपील जिसको हम कह सकते हैं. एंग्यूज्ड. सफरर्स माने संतप्त व्यक्ति या व्यथित व्यक्ति, दुख भोगते हुए व्यक्ति. सर्टेनिटी, द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग सर्टन, निश्चितता. नेक्स्ट, हियर आर 8 क्वेश्चंस. वी विल सी देम वन बाय वन. व्हाट मैसेज डू दोज हु आर आवर नियरेस्ट गिव अस? Those who are our nearest give us the following message: accept the person I am. Listen to me. Question number 2. Who are the people far from us? The people who are far from us are the disappointed, neglected and suffering ones. Whom does the poet wish to trust? The poet wishes to trust the voice coming from the depth of the heart. When does the poet wish to listen to the voice of God? The poet wishes to listen to the voice of God in busyness, in boredom, in certainty, in doubt, in noise and in silence. In what order does the poet wish to listen to the voice? Do you find any significance in that? The poet wishes to listen to the voice in the following order. One of the nearest one, of the downtrodden, of one's own soul, of God. The significance is that it is from far to near, and from the outer to the innermost. Question number 6 है, what does you suppose the hopeless, the forgotten and anguished want to tell us? They want to tell us their woes and suffering. Question number 7, how could listening to one's inner voice be helpful? If we trust our inner voice, we will get rid of fear. Now question number 8, what is the overall mood of the poem? The overall mood of the poem is that a good person is essentially a good listener. We should do our duty to our dear ones and near ones. Then we should help the downtrodden. We should listen to our inner voice and the voice of God. We should trust it. It will save us from sins and fear. It will guide us everywhere and every time. Thank you, students. Please subscribe the channel and like it.